Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
I will travel tomorrow.
I won't travel tomorrow.
I will study tonight.
I won't study tonight.
She will cook dinner.
She won't cook dinner.
He will call his mom.
He won't call his mom.
We will go to the park.
We won't go to the park.
They will visit us next week.
They won't visit us next week.
I will help you.
I won't help you.
You will love this movie.
You won't love this movie.
It will rain tomorrow.
It won't rain tomorrow.
I will buy a new phone.
I won't buy a new phone.
She will read that book.
She won't read that book.
We will watch a movie tonight.
We won't watch a movie tonight.
He will play soccer on Sunday.
He won't play soccer on Sunday.
I will clean the house.
I won't clean the house.
You will see your friends tomorrow.
You won't see your friends tomorrow.
I will wake up early.
I won't wake up early.
I will make breakfast.
I won't make breakfast.
He will take the bus.
He won't take the bus.
She will drink coffee.
She won't drink coffee.
We will clean the kitchen.
We won't clean the kitchen.
They will paint the wall.
They won't paint the wall.
I will fix the car.
I won't fix the car.
You will do your homework.
You won't do your homework.
He will wash his clothes.
He won't wash his clothes.
She will open the window.
She won't open the window.
We will travel next month.
We won't travel next month.
I will call my dad.
I won't call my dad.
You will meet new friends.
You won't meet new friends.
They will start a new job.
They won't start a new job.
She will visit her grandma.
She won't visit her grandma.
He will eat pizza for dinner.
He won't eat pizza for dinner.
I will buy a gift.
I won't buy a gift.
You will dance tonight.
You won't dance tonight.
They will arrive soon.
They won't arrive soon.
We will cook together.
We won't cook together.
She will listen to music.
She won't listen to music.
He will play the guitar.
He won't play the guitar.
I will go shopping.
I won't go shopping.
You will drive to school.
You won't drive to school.
We will stay home.
We won't stay home.
They will go out tonight.
They won't go out tonight.
She will study English.
She won't study English.
He will watch the game.
He won't watch the game.
I will take a shower.
I won't take a shower.
You will send an email.
You won't send an email.
We will finish the project.
We won't finish the project.
They will fix the roof.
They won't fix the roof.
She will learn to swim.
She won't learn to swim.
He will read the newspaper.
He won't read the newspaper.
I will close the door.
I won't close the door.
You will bring the cake.
You won't bring the cake.
We will eat breakfast together.
We won't eat breakfast together.
They will help their parents.
They won't help their parents.
She will write a message.
She won't write a message.
He will take a picture.
He won't take a picture.
I will study for the test.
I won't study for the test.
You will clean your room.
You won't clean your room.
We will walk to school.
We won't walk to school.
They will buy ice cream.
They won't buy ice cream.
She will go to bed early.
She won't go to bed early.
He will watch TV after work.
He won't watch TV after work.